Taking a deeper look at the kneeling two-way lunge stretch, remember this. These are just sort of suggestions of how I like to approach it, but this is one of those ones you can really make your own and tailor to what you need. So as we talk about doing things like keeping a linear stretch, if you feel like you need to open up, if you feel like you like the rotation, if you like a stretch, that's where you add this. So although we won't cover all the possibilities, know that you can make each of these adjustments as you feel fit. Starting off, I always think about staying in one line, meaning as I come up, I try and stay in one line. I don't like to swing out. I would rather make my transitions straight ahead. I also like to land with my foot and my knee relatively straight ahead. Chest and shoulders, hips, all pointing in the same direction. So my lunge is happening together. If you want to add rotation, do that, that's different. But the initial setup, I like for everything to go in one direction. As you swing out, same concept. Everything headed one direction. If you happen to be here and you're doing the side stretch, I'm still pointing my shoulders the same direction as the knee and the foot. Looking at it from the side, as you step here, we're not lunging there, we're lunge stretching here. So everything is happening in the same direction or same plane. This is a ton of torque on the knee and you don't get the same stretch. If you can't get your knee all the way out, then your foot should head the same direction that your knee can stretch. So as we're going here, all of a sudden now we're deep into these muscles and not in the knee. When it comes to some of the adjustments, let's say some rotation work, that's sort of up to you. I like a general knee slightly out, sink in, and then reach across, but there are so many different ways in which you can adjust this. That's one of those things where I like to just have someone go, run through a few standard linear reps, and then make that adjustment and go by feel and say, I really like this move, and I really like that move. Or I don't like the bend, I like the twist, or I like to open up the opposite direction. All of these things come with time and practice. That being said, play around with this a few times. Hope you enjoy it.